Welcome back. It's another video lecture on input-output in C programming language. So let's go ahead and look at how we can be able to read files in C. So in the previous lecture, we are able to learn how to write to a file, but we've not learned how to read from the file that you've just written to. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So, I'm about to create a file, and going to name that. Let's call that to be flow, just like we did previously. And we have to give the length of that. And let's say, because it's going to be in character, and let's call that to be read. You can name this anything, and let the size be, say, 300. So what we need to do now is we have to open the file. So I'm going to say flow is equal to fopen. So flow is equal to fopen, and we have to copy the path of this file. So let's go ahead and this is the file, and let's copy the path of the file that we want to read. So you can read any of this. Let's say hello.txt or hello.doc. Let's go ahead and choose any one of these. And this is the path. Copy the path and go over here and paste that. So we're about to put this in / not /. So if that is in / it can't be able to read those files, alright? So change all these to / Alright, so now you name the file that you want to read, and click on this map that is the hello.txt or hello.doc or hello.pdf. So any one of them that you want to read, and click comma here, and use R to read this file, okay? Use R to read it and place semicolon at the end. So for us to read the content of the file, you go ahead and say fget. So this will help us to get this, and the name of the variable name is read. So you're going to read this with an array of 300, and this is going to access the file. So file and flow is the name of the file. So put a comma at the end of that, and then once you get the content of the file, the next thing is to print out the content of this file. And for you to do that, you go ahead and use printf. So using printf, you can be able to display the content of this file, and you're going to use %s because it's going to be in a string form. And then you are using the variable read. To get that, you can use any name of your own choice and put a comma right here. So now, before we go ahead to run this code, we have to check the file that we want to read and see the content of the file. So that is hello.txt, and this is sample code from our example. That is what you want to read. So minimize this, and we go ahead and run the code, but before then you have to close this file. So I'm going to say close, and they're going to close flow. So place semicolon at the end and run this code and check it out. Hope that is coming. This is sample code from our example. You can see that the code is there. You can see the file content. Let me go ahead and put this to the next line, okay? So I want this to read and move to the next line, so there will be a space. So go right here and put a an escape character to the next line. So run this code again and check it out. So hope guys come in, consider this is sample code from our example, and that is okay. So I believe you've seen this, and you consider that it's working fine. It's kind of read your file from anywhere. Alright, it's kind of read anywhere. So we have one other file somewhere else. That is new file.txt is just still the same thing. Let's name this. This is a sample code from new file. Let's change that. This is sample code from new file, and go ahead and save that and close that, and let's print this out. So change the hello to new file. I hope that is new file or new files. Let's check that. New file. So new file. So go ahead and run this code and check it out. Hope that is coming, and this is sample code from new file. You can see that it was able to reach the file, and everything's okay. I believe at this point you've learned how to write to a file, and you've also learned how to read to a file. So I pronounce lines to be rand. Oh well, I'm sorry for that. Alright, so if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.